just cleaning some cam phases, and then as you can see, they were pretty gunked up out of this Commodore we're working on. And the next one in the background, we have the vacuum cleaner crank up. Well, it's only a cheap vacuum cleaner. Only one can imagine what Igo's doing with this vacuum cleaner, but let's go and have a look. You're kidding me. What do you got going on here? Well, this is something different, eh? One way to get rid of the gunk out of the top of it.
Without it falling in.
Without it falling in. Is it actually working though? Or?
Yeah, I'm just trying to get the loose stuff around the edges.
Yeah, righto.
Try not to disturb it too much. But like this was caked on, and one bit actually came off really in a big lump.
Yeah.
And it just sucked straight up. So,
oh, the cheap Kmart vacuum cleaner. Oh no.
That lump there. Let's hope it works. Gentle, just break it off and just suck it straight up. A little better.
Yeah, it's not really
ideal, but
hey, it does the job. A little bit better than using sandblast, I suppose.
Yeah. You really don't want this stuff going in the engine.
Nah.
It'll
block that oil pickup up.
Yep. If it's not already blocked. Although the oil pressure was good. Just might give it a bit more life.
Anyway, you keep going on that one. Oh, that's crazy. But yeah, anyway, so as you've seen the gump on that engine, like this here, the cam phases, and they're I'm actually stripping the little filaments out here, and then carburetor cleaning degreaser and just cleaning the insides of them, so then they get a fresh new bit of life again. So then it should actually go a little bit harder than what it's been doing once they're done. We've done all the timing cover, we just hot wash that. Same with the rock covers, hot wash that. We're going to put all new seals in it, so we'll have front seals and new rocket cover seals and so on and so on. So yeah, no, I just thought when I heard that vacuum cleaner crank up, I thought I'd do a quick video on that. Anyway.